we're renovating this horrible terrace in 5 days. We've made gradual improvements to this terrace over the past few months, but the last 5 days saw the biggest progress. And even though we didn't start at our best on the first day because we were tired. Mom?
I'm resting.
First, we have to lay out the tiles to see where we're going to place them. So, well, we managed to create a beautiful outdoor dining area by installing a section of large format tiles and even a path of tiles that will look amazing once we lay the grass. On the second day, we were going to install the pergola, but we couldn't do it without leveling the ground first. So with several bags of self-leveling compound, we managed to prepare the area. To our surprise, while waiting for it to dry, some followers unexpectedly visited us. Some followers just came to visit us, and honestly, oh my, they were so nice. They brought us... Ooh! Oh my goodness! By the way, we removed the leveling pieces from the floor from the previous episode and put grout on the floor, which was looking amazing. As the grout dried, we assembled the pergola and set up the entire structure. We removed the grout and set up the table we had assembled a few days ago, along with the matching chairs. All the furniture and construction materials are from Brico Depot. We finally finished the tent and moved on to day 3 of the project, when we installed composite flooring under the tent. To install this flooring, the previous surface must be completely level, and that's why we leveled it beforehand, so we wouldn't have to do it now with the pergola already in place. Everything seemed to be going great until we messed up and need to take everything apart. It's been 84 years? We made a mistake with the placement of the crossbars, and we didn't realize it until we were halfway through. So we took apart everything we had done, made some adjustments, and put it back together. Now nothing could go wrong, or could it? Oh my goodness, the water curtain?
Yes, no. It's amazing, isn't it?
Mind-blowing, isn't it? We're already on day 4 of the renovation, with gorgeous sunshine that allowed us to plaster the exposed brick pillars, leaving them ready and much more discreet. And we're going to eat some fruit sitting on the what was it? Pachori.
Pachori? Haha. Papa. Papa-san?
Papa-san.
I hadn't heard it, Papa-san.
I'm not convinced by that name.
A swivel chair.
Oh, Mom, that name is boring. Porompompero. Ha, it's way too long. What about Pora un Pompero?
Go to the Porompompero. Come on. And leave me alone.
We had breakfast peacefully, or as much as possible. Anyway, it was clearly a sign that we should keep going, so once the pillars were dry, we started painting them. Honestly, the facade looked completely different because we also painted the upper part, which was in the worst condition. And now finally, we've reached the present moment. Let's get to laying the grass. We're going to start by laying the first patch, the first roll of grass. If we don't get burned up first... Wow, look at this! It's going to be great for making birthday cakes. The plan is to lay a whole roll of turf here, as this spot is the most problematic due to the tiles. If we were to lay the turf in pieces between the tiles, let's say, we think it might be easy to trip, so it's better to put it down whole and cut around each of the tiles. Look how tall this turf is, huh? The piece I cut is super tall. We'll leave this just like this so we can go eat. What do we have for lunch today, Mom?
Little potato stew with chicken meatballs.
Wow, look how this looks over here, huh? Oh, please, how beautiful.
It's divine. Absolutely stunning.
Oh, I'm burning myself. Ooh! I let it cool down a bit, since in this heat you don't really want it. No, you know what? Let's add an ice cube.
It's lukewarm, it's lukewarm.
We're going to eat inside because it's really hot outside. So we'll eat and then continue laying the grass. I never get tired of looking at it from here. It looks so beautiful. Who's here in the shade? He hasn't done anything. Okay, the direction of the hair is that way. We haven't glued the grass yet because we still need to do touch-ups on the walls and pillars, as I mentioned. Just move it back a little actually. For now, since you can still comb it well even without gluing it, I'm here at the kitchen window and wow, it's spectacular, well, at least in my opinion. Let's stop for a snack, we're really tired. We'll have our snack in the area we've already finished, and then we'll move on to installing the blinds so we can have everything completely ready. Alright, let's get to it. Today I almost fell. Today our guests are arriving, but before that I want to try out some decoration ideas to see how they look. It's true that I don't have much around here, but we'll try out the little I do have and see how it goes. We can put up a few little things and it'll end up looking spectacular, even though from here it already looks amazing. I'm really unsure about whether to put down a rug or not. It does look nice and decorated with a rug, but everything already looks so pretty that I don't know if adding a rug would be too much. After 5 intense days, the terrace renovation is finally ending. There are still many small details to finish, but here's the before and after. Now come upstairs and take a look. Come in and see, come in and see. We're exhausted.
Yes, how are you?
Oh, Mom, you can't see the chairs from outside!
Please, how gorgeous. This is a luxury.
Wow, but how did you manage so much in 6 days? Woo!
What do you think?
I'm speechless.
Oh my goodness, how beautiful, gorgeous, wow. So much work went into this, it's incredible.
It's rotating!
Wow, whoa!
Did you design it yourselves?
It's meant for concealment, but we've used it as a shutter.
Oh, is it hidden? Wow, so that's why you painted that part? Of course, it would look odd if this part was done, but that part wasn't. How beautiful. Truly gorgeous.
Can you lift your head up yet or not?
Careful, be careful. 3, 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, how wonderful. It really looks like one of those from the movies. Oh, it looks so nice, doesn't it? It looks like a really expensive house.
Oh, that's nice.
What a beautiful, movie-worthy terrace. Do you know what happened to the dog? I went to the garage downstairs and he followed. Alberto opened the front door of the car and didn't say anything. Boom! He got in, but I didn't expect him to open the back door instead of the front.
Maybe it was because he was carrying the bag.
He thought, no, they're leaving, but he even cracked the car door. Boom!
And then he got into the car.
They weren't bringing him along.
And he didn't want to get out.
Oh, what a thing. Look at him.
Oh, and what about the top part?
It's also painted white.
Well, yes, because otherwise it would have looked really ugly. It needed it. What do you think of the house?
Doesn't it look pretty?
Have you seen the detail on the shutter?
Yes, I already saw that from the street.
The image looks beautiful from here, huh? Now I'll take your picture.
Anyone passing by will think the people who bought this tower must be very wealthy. Everyone who sees it will wonder how much money they have. Hey, it relaxes you, you know? Just looking at everything gives you a sense of calm. I'm just imagining it. It's hard to believe. Has it been a year already?
It's been a year now.
A year and a month. I remember being here, pulling out some long weeds and branches. It was a mess. But at least it's work that shows. Because what makes you mad is when you work a lot and the work you've done doesn't show. Here, the hard work is obvious. We've done a lot, but much remains.
Well, in houses, it's never finished.
And it's true, a home never gives you the feeling of being completely finished. You always see things left to do, or even want to change things that were already finished. It can even get a little frustrating, but the truth is, you have to look back to see everything you've done. It may seem small, but it takes many hours and much effort. We need to stop and recognize our achievements instead of expecting to go faster. That's why as soon as we finished the terrace, we spent 2 weeks enjoying every corner, without stress, without pressure. Because a renovation isn't just about painting walls or changing a floor, it's about bringing a dream to life, creating a space that invites you to breathe, share, and enjoy.
What more could I want? Look how modern it is.
A luxury villa, right?
Luxury. Oh, I can't drink like this unless it's with a glass. It really looks like a tower, like those estates rich people own, right?
And look how you look with this little bit of shade, kind of Caribbean style, huh?
Of course, and how I wear this, like Caribbean style. There's nothing around as beautiful, no terrace as beautiful. And the inside, well, they don't see that as much. But this is just for rich people, right? Someone will call and say, oh, it was so nice. It's been a while since you took me out. I don't mind if people stop me and ask me.
I have a lot of news. We did several small things. 3, 2, 1, Mom, here's your new look.
A radical change.